Just about every uniformed member of the military that I've spoken to in the last several years, when I say, what's your number one concern? Readiness comes up. How do we apply the concept of data and analytics to readiness to maybe drive different outcomes or different results to the readiness challenge than what we're seeing today? Dave, I'll start with you.
Well, I think that there's this, I'll go back to the cost discussion. You know, there are ways to make investments in capabilities where you either add or cut costs without compromising readiness. When you don't have access to data or sophisticated analytics tools, you're sometimes making decisions without enough information. And there's this assumption that to cut a cost or to move one investment to another means you're going to give up readiness in some other place. That's not always the case. So a broader aperture of data, better tools that allow you to reach inside the problem more comprehensively, allow you to make decisions that you didn't think you could make before.
What will you watch as time goes on? What will you look at inside the Defense Department to see what kinds of decisions they're making and whether they're using these tools to their fullest potential, Dave?
Yeah, I would think that, and this is a topic that's brought up in some of the previous parts of the discussion, how quickly the organizations adapt culturally. And how quickly do they recognize that there's lower risk now more than ever in adopting some of these capabilities? One, they're more affordable. Two, you don't necessarily need to be tied to a specific vendor. But there's enough open source tools and capabilities where you can lean forward with a pilot and test and see how it goes, and then hopefully be amazed at the outcomes.
Shelly, what will you watch?
For me, it's more about how quickly can we get the warfighter to be using tools that they have in everyday life, right? So we have Siri and we have all kinds of different things, but when it comes to really readiness and information like that, it's not ready yet.